What is up, everybody? Rabbit Up 7 here. This is the Hot Wheels original series, and these were basically just kind of premiums that came in this appealing to adult collectors packaging, except it was mostly models from this time. So, I mean, you had to have been into a more serious clamshell, high-end, like probably $7, $8 car at the time. And now I think they're just kind of little hidden gems because I never know which one of these were created. I just see them every once in a while. I'm like, man, I gotta have that. So this is Evil Twin from Velocity X fame, and probably a few other games I know it's in. But yeah, Hot Wheels designers are widely respected and admired for their imaginative automotive designs. Many of them build and customize their own full-size vehicles. They are skilled at enhancing an existing design with custom touches and producing awesome originals. This exclusive series pays tribute to their immense talents and showcases their oh-so-cool original vehicles. So let's see what we got here. Oh man, these are like golden, honestly. Hammered Coupe, that'd be cool. I have Maelstrom, Hypermite, oh man. I don't think I have that. Way Too Fast, Arachnorod, Roll Cage. It doesn't sound like there's a bad one to get here. It pains me to open this, but it was literally $6, and I don't think there's a huge market for these yet. So there goes the clamshell. No going back now. That went flying. Sweet. That like white with flames outlined in blue was a very 90s hot rod look. Oh, you got the angry eyes here. You got headlight details and taillight detail. They put a little more effort into these. This is definitely like a permanent display. This thing is awesome. You got these treasure hunt wheels. 5 spokes. I think the Maelstrom has those wheels. They might all have these wheels. To me, they're on the level of the CM5s or the CM6s from World Racer Acceleracers, where they're just like a premium wheel that looks wicked good on almost everything because it's so clearly more premium than the actual ones that come on basics. Awesome. I love the white. It's like slightly off-white. I'm not sure if that's just aging, but it's the perfect hue of white. What a nice looking car. Very cool. I'll pick up anytime, or pick up one of these anytime I see it, really, if it's under like $15. I think they're worth it. I wonder how many years they did them. That says there's like 4 times 3, 6, 18 of them. What, how many are in here? Am I miscounting that? No, there's 12. I thought I was reading a 5th per row. All right, let me know what you think of these. I think they're quite cool. Subscribe for more videos. Have a good one, guys. Bye.